Hi guys, welcome on our channel. After a beautiful visit of Boarthur Historic Site, we are now at Remarkable Cave, just a 10-minute drive away. We did a Remarkable Cave first and then we come here. Remarkable Cave is a steep but rewarding 15-minute return walk which starts from the car park. The cave is free to visit, however you may need a permit for the national park if you intend to keep exploring the area. The scenery is absolutely beautiful. The horse-shaped space let the ocean water goes through with strength, making it burst out like a fountain in the end. Please note that it's not wheelchair and pram friendly. Devil's Kitchen and Tasman Arch are our next stop, just half an hour drive from Remarkable Cave. Devil's Kitchen offers an amazing view of nature's power and beauty. It's a deep trench that has been carved out by the crashing waves of the Tasman Sea. It started as a cave which has gradually been eroded away into the side of a cliff with an almost perfect cut being made. We heard that the name of Devil's Kitchen was chosen because of the number of sharks in the area. The sharks would prey on the sea lions and seals, which get caught in the narrow passage of water, with the animal shrieks echoing between the cliff faces. If you guys know why Devil Kitchens has been named like that, please let us know below in the comments. So when we finish, we just go this way. Huh? Vou pensar que eu pina indication bisa lembro. Tem que majorar. Devil's Kitchen. Oof. Tasman Arch is an amazing natural creation offering stunning views. The viewpoint is a short walk from the car park, making it easily accessible. A must visit for anyone in the area. Okay guys, it's time now to get a rest. We chose to spend 2 nights at Hobo Bush Cabins. Very nice and quiet place. It's a 1-bedroom cabin with living room, kitchen, with all equipments, bathroom and toilet. Very clean and staff are very friendly. Good morning guys, we are now on our way to Kettering. Only half an hour drive from our cabin. This is where we're gonna take the ferry to go to Bruny Island. This is a quick ferry to reach Bruny Island from Kettering. You can book the ticket online to avoid on-site purchases. They departed on time. Usually there is a ferry every 20 minutes. The ferry is large enough to carry many vehicles. The drive process was smooth and quick, about 15 minutes. You can have more details about the schedule on the website of scenic.com.au. So today we are heading to Bruny Island. We drove from Hobo to Kettering, about 20 minutes. And it's been raining this morning till 10, but now looks alright.
It's just a bit windy.
Windy, cloudy, but no rain. So now we are on the ferry,
And also,
waiting to everyone to come.
yeah. And also with this ticket we can stay on the island as long as we want.
Yep, the lady said that.
Yes.
And we paid $50 for, is it for return?
Yes.
Yes, for return. And we're gonna stay in the car from here to the island.
Yep.
It's that movie. Oh, this is the one that you have the sea boats on both sides. Yeah, this is a nice one. But we just have to take the stairs. And look how many stairs, how many steps. There's one here. Well, Our first stop on Bruny Island was the Neck Game Reserve Lookout. Situated on a thin strip of land, the Neck connects North Bruny and South Bruny. Enjoy the stunning 360-degree views of Bruny Island from the elevated perch of Truganini Lookout. The walk to the lookout involves about 300 timber steps. The monument commemorates the Aboriginal woman Truganini. This memorial is dedicated to the Nunani tribe and Truganini who inhabited Bruny Island before the European settlement. From September to February, you can see tiny penguins returning to their burrows at dusk. The globe was a nice little step to make. The structure is slightly rusting, which adds to the appeal. There's a calm and quiet beach lays beyond it to stretch your legs. But unfortunately, the water was too cold to swim. There's also a cheese factory, a chocolate shop, few restaurants, lookout views, iconic spots, and so much more. Overall, we had a short but wonderful time on Bruny Island. For lunch, we decided to stop at the Margate Train. We tried their famous pies and sausage roll with a vanilla milkshake. Was very yummy. Was a nice experience to have lunch in a train carriage. And also, there are a few shops in other carriages that you can buy lollies, clothes, and souvenirs. The staffs are very friendly and make you feel comfortable. Okay guys, we hope that you like our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. We see you on our next video. Thank you. Bye.
You